see by the girl, now you're not gonna beg no partner. Well, let me tell you something. This is the commission of the bad man. I'm not telling you he's a superintendent and he's a dead man. Cause the journal front he go to and Dagan. Adam. Listen, hey, boy. I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause I'm fucking with this me and the man I done. I don't have to give me back me gun. You go. Yeah, you hear me? You know, listen to DJ. Level. Listen. I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause some fussy with this me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back me gun. If charge me innocent murder, me not charging none. I don't have to give me back me.